Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, my name is Rianti Putri Faqiha
And my name is Abdullah Pasai.
and we are from SMP MUHAMMADIYAH 8 Bandung.
Today we are going to present about our project, which is Kurir.
So the development of technology has brought significant changes in various aspects of life. However, the use of technology to solve problems is still not maximized, such as problems in the field of energy, health, and the environment. According to the Universitas Ketahanan Indonesia, fossil fuel account for about 85% of all energy used worldwide. Although there are many other alternative energy such as hydropower, wind power, and so on, but there are still many reasons for people to be reluctant to switch. The reason is because the price is relatively expensive. In addition, in the health sector, there is still one problem, namely regarding dirty water. According to the UNICEF, 70% of sanitation in Indonesia is still not suitable for use. Therefore, we make products that can answer all the problems above and are in line with SDGs number 6 and SDGs number 7. Because of all this problem, we decided to make Kurir. Kurir stands for kura-kura air or water filter. We made a turtle-shaped product because the turtle is an amphibious animal and reflect our product that can move on land and at sea. In addition, we gave the name Kurir because Kurir means a person who delivers goods in Indonesia. In this product, we deliver a clean water and alternative electricity to the surrounding community. This product has a function to desalinate and convert salt water into alternative electricity.
But again with me, here is the product that we have. As you can see, this is where the fresh water will be contained. And there are also some pipes, as you can see. This uses straws because we don't have much material to use with. We use waste materials, which means we have a lot of limitations. We need to go to actually be able to build this thing, but I think we had go through the challenges pretty well. As you can see, there is the saltwater battery right there, and the saltwater battery is only going to be used for a backup battery in a sense, because as you can see, we have the main battery right here. This main battery powers this little fan right here, but if the main battery is depleted, the fan can take power from the saltwater battery. There's also this freshwater container, as you can see, with little filters put on it. Yes. And let's put that here. Right here is where the reverse osmosis process will go. There will be a little pressure thing right here, but because we are using straws and it's a pretty small space, we can't really make it to actually work. We only use mock-ups, so you can actually see how it will work if you use real scale. But as of right now, I'm going to test the battery, the main battery. And you can see it works well. This fan is used to propel this product underwater. And this is how the product looks when it's upside down, like a turtle basically. So that's all about this particular design. Let's go to how this design goes. So here we have the product design. First is right here, this is the saltwater containers. As you can see, it's also the saltwater battery. This is the main battery that is used to propel the product forward into the ocean or to the shore. It also has intake pipes, valves, and other things that you'll see on a product that goes underwater or on water. This is the reverse osmosis. This is where the reverse osmosis process will go. This is where the membrane is. And this is the freshwater containers.
For Kurir, we use two mathematical principles. The first one is volume. We use the principle of volume to calculate the amount of water that Kurir can hold. The formula is P kali L kali T, or length times width times height. The Kurir storage volume is 140 cm. And the second one is discharge. We use the principle of discharge to calculate the amount of water flowing in Kurir. We were unable to calculate the flow rate because we did not have time to test the water in the Kurir storage.
The first science principle is reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis is a process that uses a semi-permeable membrane to separate the water molecules from other substances. It works by placing the semi-permeable membrane in between two of the substances to separate them both from each other. So this is the saltwater solution and this is the freshwater solution. Pressure is applied to the seawater or saltwater solution and forces the water particles in the solution to go through the membrane. This results in fresh water on the other side. The second science principle is saltwater battery. Saltwater battery works by using salt water to capture, store, and eventually discharge the energy. The salt water is split into its constituent parts, hydrogen and oxygen gases, through the process of electrolysis. This process involves passing an electric current through the saltwater solution, causing the water molecules to break down into hydrogen and oxygen gas at the electrodes. Although this can be used for fuel, in this particular project, we do not use it as the primary rechargeable energy storage system. It is not used for the main battery. The main battery is separated and this saltwater battery is only used for, as you can see, like backup batteries. If the main battery is depleted or is broken, the saltwater battery can be used to keep Kurir afloat or to bring it back to shore.
And thank you for your attention.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.